Hello, viewers. Welcome to our channel, The Forex Trends. And I hope you all are doing well and you have spent a good weekend. And I am also good. So now the time to prepare for this week. So in this video today, I am going to analyze gold for the entire week as well as today. And I will try to find the potential trade setups for today as well as the entire week. So, all right, let's start. Before start, let's take a look at the fundamentals for this week. So, if you can see, there is a multiple news lined up for this week. Sorry. As you can see on Monday, there is ISM manufacturing PMI for USA, and it is expected greater than the previous data. So, expected it may come greater than the previous data because we saw on previous weeks that US economy is still in expansion and multiple data came and indicate the expansion of US economy. So we may see again a good data, that means the greater than the previous and forecast as well as. So if it come positive, we may see a good selling on gold again. And after that, we have on Tuesday, we have the big news, that is Fed Chair Paul speaks. And as we know, he is still hawkish on DXY, as the sentiment of the market is still remain intact. That is longer for higher for longer. That means they are not supposed to cut their rate in recent future. It may possible on September quarter end, they may decide to cut one rate cut for this year. So we'll look for this. And after that, we have ADP non-farm employment charge and ISM service PMI. And finally, on Friday, we have a great news that is non-farm employment change, that is NFP. So this week NFP has scheduled. That means this week we may see a good volatility and good direction in the market. So I will explain every fundamental news on my every videos properly for you. So keep following me and we'll prepare according to the market fundament and technical analysis. So that's all in fundamental in this week. So let's see the technicals in gold. Okay, this is weekly chart of gold. Let me show you the DXY before start with gold. In DXY, you can see DXY if I shift on day, you can see DXY is moving exactly as I told on my previous video. Okay, let me show the drawings first. Look, this was my drawings. And exactly I told you guys, DXY may move like this and it may reject from this zone, that is 106.50 to 106.30. So there is one thing more. There is a relative equal highs at this position. That means this is a liquid zone. Okay. So we may see a spike up above this level and come it back down. So be prepared for that. If we see some spike up above this level and close below this level, we may see a good selling on DXY again up to these levels. Okay. So let's see what will happen on DXY. Let's shift to the gold. Okay. As we do, start with the higher frame. Let me shift in weekly. No, because we know on Friday there is a monthly candle closed. So we need to check on month before. Okay. In monthly candle, see, in monthly candle, the previous month candle is indecision. That means dodgy candle, proper dodgy candle. If you can see, this is a proper dodgy candle. Look. Okay. So indecision candle. So as my experience, I have a strategy for dodgy candle, which I wanted to share today. Whenever market create this kind of dodgy candle in any time frame, what I do a mark below low and high of this candle. Okay, I mark like this. If market able to close below this candle like this, we may see a good selling on gold up to this level. Okay, so if market able to close above this price like this, we may see a good bullishness in gold market again up to 2500 or 2700 or 3000. Okay, so doji candle is very interesting candle for trading purpose. So mark on monthly chart on your time, on your monthly time frame on your chart, these two highs and lows of this doji candle. And if market able to close this month or further next month one candle below this price or above this price, you may shift your bias as per the direction. And this tips is for on monthly candle, because this is on monthly candle. So this tips is for good for swing traders and positional traders. Okay, this is my strategy for doji candles. So in monthly, we have a doji candle for previous months, and that means the indecision is there. If we shift on weekly chart, there is a consecutive doji candles in previous weeks, previous 2 weeks. That means there is a indecision in market. So let's see what will happen. There is a kind of choppy market in week. Okay, after a impulsive move, after a impulsive move, there is a kind of choppy market. That means a ranging market is there. So we need to break. Market is need to break a support that is 2286 level, and there is a strong resistance that is 24340. Above resistance is 2439250, and the below is a 2286 level. So market is ranging between this price. So if market break this support, either break this resistance, we will see another impulse in the market. In So let's shift in the daily. In daily, you can see there is also a ranging market. After create a good impulse, it is a good impulsive move, and after that it create a range between this price. This is also 2286 and same price. That is this is 2440 to 2450. So we may see a ranging in between this price like this. Until market break this support or resistance, we do not initiate any position trade or swing trade in gold. Okay. So let's wait for the breakout of this support or this resistance for positional trade. Okay. For intraday trade, we need to shift on smaller time frame. We do not initiate any intraday trade on daily frame, weekly frame, on monthly frame. So daily frame, weekly frame, or monthly frame, that means the higher time frame is give us a direction or a decision in the market. That's why we need to analyze or see once in a higher frame. After that, for intraday, we need to check on 4 hour, then 1 hour or 30 minute, etc. So let's shift to the smaller time frame, that is 4 hour. In 4 hour frame, there is a very interesting things. Let me show you. Okay. In 4 hour frame, you can see, as I told my previous videos, it was bullish as per the structure, and this is a last support of 4 hour frame, and market how nicely takes support from this and sweep the liquidity or buyer side liquidity from below this support and go up very nicely. So we have a resistance at this zone and it reject from this resistance, and there is a support created in 4 hour frame. Okay, and market need to take support from this area, and it may create another high up to this zone. Okay, so in 4 hour frame, we expected market move like this and this and this and this. So let me mark the zones and try to find the trades. Firstly, delete. Okay. So the first buying zone in 4 hour frame is this, that is 2321 to 2329. If we get the price like this and reject from this level, we may see a buying from this level. So this is a 2319 to 21. This is a buying zone for today in intraday purpose. And there is, because this resistance has already tested by the price and mitigated, that means in next time it may not provide any retracement from this level. It may go up to this level. Okay, so this is not no more valid. Okay, and I need to shift my alert from this level to this level. Okay, so this is our first trade setup for buying intraday. So there is a still a resistance because of 50% level of fib. If I plot in for the previous entire swing, this is a 50% level, that is 2342.83. If we got the price at this zone, we may see a retracement up to 80 to 100 pips. So you can sell from this zone, but sale is risky because this is a bullish trend in 4 hour frame. But for intraday, if we got the price at this zone, that is 2342 to 2345 zone today, we may see a sale from here for 80 to 100 waves only. After that, it may break this zone, and this is our sell trade. Let me write this 2342 to 45. If we got price here, we may initiate a sale like this up to this zone. If it able to break this zone, this support, we may initiate a sell again from here like this. Okay, so this is for intraday. If market able to break this resistance and retest, we may see a buy up to this level again. Okay, so let me mark this zone. This is a good order block area and this zone in 4 hour frame. Okay, so another target or another retracement level is 2363 to 2368. When price approach this zone, we may see a sale again from this zone or we may buy from this zone, that is 2345 to 42 if market break with momentum candles. So this is all for this week. So let me shift in 1 hour frame. In 1 hour frame, if we check in 1 hour frame, market creating higher high and higher lows like this, and this was our breakout structure here. As you know, after market, whenever market create breakout structure like this, that means create higher high, higher low. We have 2 point of interest to join this bullish trend, and the first point of interest is there, and second is there. So market need to test this zone. Still, it is not test. So let's see if come again this the price at this zone, we may initiate a buy from here. And already told you on a 4 hour frame also. And our first target will be there, and second will be above this zone. So in 1 hour frame for intraday purpose, this is a good trade setup. If we get the price here, we may initiate a buy. And if we get the price at this zone, that is 2342 and 45 today, we may initiate a sell for small retracement, that is 80 to 50, 80 to 100 pips. So that's all for trade setups. That's all. So, my dear viewers, I will make daily videos for daily trading purposes. So keep following me. You will understand many things and you will learn many things from this channel. So all right, that wraps up today's analysis of gold. So if you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will stay updated with all our latest content, tips and strategies. That's really help you to trade smarter and more profitably. Viewers, thanks for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, trade smartly, trade safely. Bye bye, guys.